Hello programmer, today I will show you how to make a ATM application. First, let's create the welcome to option text for the user. Print welcome to mini ATM application 1 11 balance to withdraw 3 add money 4 exits. Completed. Now let's add remainder by default. Remainder 1000 defaults. We need to create while loop to make our application repeatable. Create while loop through. Let's select the action user wants to do, save it. Select numbers, input, please select action. Now we need an if loop, because if the user presses the Q key, let's print the message, thanks, we wish you a nice day, and let's end our loop. Create if block, select numbers, double A shell, Q, print, thanks, we wish you a nice day, and break comments. Let's show the current balance on the screen if the user pressed the 1K. If select number double A shell 1, prints current balance status remainder. If the user pressed the 2K, let's first ask and save the amount they want to withdraw. Create if block, select numbers double A shell 2 and amount withdrawn integer input. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Okay. Caution her we need second if block because the balance has more than amounts to be withdrawn. If it is not provided, let's print the message you have insufficient balance. Create if block, remainder withdraw, print You have insufficient balance and break comments. Else remainder amounts withdraw. Finally, let's show the current balance to user. Print current balance status remainder. If the user presses the number 3, we will query and save the amount to be withdrawn. Create if block and select numbers double equal 3. Add amount integer inputs. How much do you want to add? And add the amount to balance remainder, add amounts remainder. Finally, let's show the current balance to user. Copy and paste. If the wrong key was pressed, let's indicate it. Create else block. Print you enter it and invalid translation. That's not a problem. Running the codes. Please select action. For example, 1. Default 1000. 2. You have insufficient balance. Okay. Running the codes. So 10. For example, 3. 50. Finally, for example, 4. One problem. Okay. 4. Again, running the codes. Press the 4. Thanks, we wish a nice day. Our code is complete. Thanks for watching me. You can specify your problems in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.